Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your theme in Odoo. Let's get started. First, go to odoo.com, log in your account, and this action will lead you to your dashboard, where you will click on the website option. In this new tab containing your website, make sure that you're editing the correct one by clicking on this option at the far right of the navigation menu. Then choose the correct website from the drop-down menu. After that, just click on Edit from the top right corner. Clicking on this will open this right panel, where you will click on Theme from the navigation menu. Then click on Switch Theme under the website option. This new tab will open, revealing all the themes Odoo has made available to you. Just click on a theme you want, then wait as Odoo applies it to your website. And that is how you can change your theme in Odoo. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.